Hi and welcome back. Have you ever do you ever wonder why she runs but they run? Well, today's video, you will learn a simple way how to make subject and verb agree every time. So, let's get into it. The basic rule is this. A singular subject takes a singular verb, and a plural subject takes a plural verb. For example, the cat runs, and the cats run. To choose the correct verb, first find the true subject of the sentence, and then match the verb to that subject. Easy, right? Some situation looks tricky, but follow clear patterns. Phrases that begin with of do not change the number of the subject. Collective noun like team or family can be singular or plural depending on whether the group acts as one unit or as individual. Indefinite pronouns such as everyone and somebody are usually singular, while words like many and few are plural. When a sentence has extra information between the subject and the verb, ignore that extra information and match the verb to the main subject. When two subjects are joined by, and the subject is usually plural, so use plural verb. For example, Tom and Jerry are friends. Tom and Jerry are plural, and are is plural verb. Meanwhile, when the two subjects are joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the subject that is closest to the verb. For example, either the teacher or the students are ready. Here, the students are the one who are nearby the verb, so it uses the plural because students is plural. That's why we use are in this case. The verb changes form more than most verbs, so pay attention. Use am with I, is with singular third person subjects, and are with plural subjects. Meanwhile, have and has follow the same singular plural pattern as other verbs. Modal verbs such as can, will, and should do not change for number, so they stay the same whether the subject is singular or plural. Now try this sentence with me. Pause briefly if you want to answer each one in your head, because after this we're gonna discuss what the answer is. Sentence 1. The list of items on the table. The correct verb is because the subject list is singular. Sentence 2. Either the teacher or the students responsible for the project. The correct verb is are because students is the nearer subject. Sentence 3. Everyone in the class a break. The correct verb is once because everyone is singular. Sentence 4. Tom and Jerry planning a presentation. The correct verb is are because two people joined by an make a plural subject. So now we're gonna do a quick recap of this video. First, find the true subject and match the verb to its number. Second, ignore phrases that come between the subject and the verb. And then use plural verb for the subject joined by an. Then match the verb to the nearest subject with or and nor. And lastly, watch out for collective nouns and identified pronouns, and remember the special forms of be and have. And that's all for this video. I hope you'll understand and worth your time. And thank you for listening until this minute. So, I'm Ara. See you next time. Bye.